Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 7, leçon Q. And in this lesson we'll discover some vocabulary and it will concern beauté et hygiène. So let's start now. La beauté. Une brosse. Un démaquillant. Un peigne. Un poudrier. Okay, so let's see them one more time. La beauté. Remember, we've got this combination of a, u here, of the vowels, okay? But then it will give you the sound o, beauté, okay? La beauté. All right, then une brosse. Remember, don't insist on this final brosse. Un démaquillant. So we've got this QU, but then U is not pronounced. So you get the sound qui. Okay, and then remember, double L after E will give you the sound y. Démaquillant. Final T not pronounced. Démaquillant. Okay, and this is nasal in your nose. En démaquillant. Then un peigne. Final E, you don't insist on it. It's ny, the last sound. And then this E combination will give you this E, open E, un peigne. All right? Un poudrier. Okay, remember, O-U, ou, pou, poudrier. All right? Un bigoudi. Un fer à friser. Un gant de toilette. Un gel. Un sèche-cheveux. Okay, so let's see them. Un bigoudi. It's quite funny to pronounce, isn't it? Bigoudi, okay, but not difficult. Un fer à friser. Un gant de toilette. Remember, G-A goes like ga. Okay, g. But in that case, you've got this an, so it's nasal, gant, and then final T is not pronounced here. Un gant de toilette. Un gel. Un sèche. So this one is a bit tricky. So remember, we've got this E accent grave here, so it's really open. Sèche, okay, sèche, and then cheveux. Usually this one is a bit of a problem because some of the students normally pronounce it chevaux, okay? So try to keep in mind that you get E-U here, so it goes like okay? And then final X not pronounced, final X, should pronounce it the French way. Final X is not pronounced, so you get che, and then you get the, okay? Cheveux, okay? And the full thing, un sèche-cheveux. All right? Une laque. Une hygiène. Un crayon à lèvres. Un rouge à lèvres. Un maquillage. All right, so let's see them. Une laque. Remember the rule. When you get this QU, well, U is not pronounced. So you get k, like that. Une laque. Une hygiène. So remember, we've got this Y here, vowel, and it's pronounced like E, okay? Hygiène. H doesn't exist, H doesn't exist in French, so hygiène. Un crayon à lèvres. Final S not pronounced. Lèvres, okay? And then when you get this Y between two vowels, then you will have this cré. So like if you would have I here, A-I, cré, and then another I here, ion. Crayon. Un crayon à lèvres. Un rouge à lèvres. Same thing here, final S not pronounced, and then this E accent grave here, it gives you the E, really open sound. Lèvres. All right? Un maquillage. Okay, so here, same rule. QU, but then U is not pronounced, so qui, and then y. Maquillage. Une crème hydratante. Un coupe-ongles. Un vernis à ongles. Un parfum. Un shampoing. Okay, so let's cover them together. Une crème hydratante. So remember, H is not existing, and then this Y is pronounced like E. Hydratante. Okay, don't insist on the final E, and this is nasal. Hydratante. Un coupe-ongles. Okay, O-N, remember, nasal, ongle. Un coupe-ongles. Un vernis à ongles. Final S here not pronounced. Same thing here. Vernis à ongles. Un parfum. So remember, even if you've got this UM like that, phonetically it's exactly the same thing as if you would have UN. So it's nasal and it's un. So it really goes in your nose. You don't pronounce the M at all. Un. Okay? So parfum. Parfum. Okay? Un parfum. And then un shampoing. Okay, this is a strange one, really. Try to listen to me and repeat. So maybe you shouldn't visualize the word, but still it goes like shampoing. Okay, shampoing. One more time, shampoing. Okay, the full thing, shampoing. Okay, that's it. If you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier, and the website is here, imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.